I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, now open your leg wide, pointing your toes outward. And from here, inhale, lengthen, exhale, open, take cactus pose. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, drop your hips widely open. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, sternum lifting up. Inhale. Exhale, shoulder blades together, open your chest, lift up your sternum. Inhale. Exhale, widen your collarbones. Last one, inhale. Exhale, look up, slightly gaze up. And now, forward bend. And toes now pointing straight. And interlace your hands. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, forward. Breathe in for 2. Vocal Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale. Exhale for 3. Shoulder blades together. Open your chest. Inhale. Exhale for 4. One more deep inhale. And exhale, 5. Inhale halfway up. And exhale now. Stretch out to your right. And open your chest back to your center. Now reach to your left. Stretch to your left, slightly diagonal. Back to center and down. Inhale, stretch out. Inhale, exhale, stretch to diagonal position. Inhale, exhale, open your chest. Back to center. Inhale, exhale to your right. Exhale, reach 45-degree angle. Inhale, exhale, and roll up. And from here, pointing right to the right side, left slightly inward. Okay? And from here, inhale, keep your both knees straight. And interlace your hands behind. Inhale, exhale, forward. And inhale, exhale for 2. Inhale, exhale for 3. Breathe in for 4. Breathe in for 5. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Now turn to other side. Inhale and exhale forward. Breathe in for 1. Breathe in for 2. Try to feel the stretch on the back of your leg and inhale, exhale for 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, halfway, exhale all the way back. Okay, now turn to your right. Bend front knee. From here, palms up. Inhale and exhale, bend. Now look toward the extension of your right arms. Inhale, exhale for. Now, energetic warrior. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. Now, other side. Inhale, make sure arms, shoulder are one line. Palms facing up. Let's do energetic warrior 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Okay, now from here, this time, keep your both knee straight. And inhale, exhale, reach, 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 reach. Okay, now triangle pose. And if your neck is okay, gaze up and then forehead higher than your chin to align your neck. Make sure your back as if you are standing against invisible wall. Upper shoulder rotating back. Upper hip rotating back. And bottom hip and bottom shoulder rotating forward. Try to keep a one plane as if you are standing against invisible wall. And inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, open your chest, lifting up your sternum. And make sure fingertips reaching toward the sky, energized. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Let's do the other side. Imagine, try to keep your back in one plane as if you are standing against the invisible wall. And inhale, exhale, reach, 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 reach. Now, if your neck is okay, look up and make sure to keep your forehead higher than your chin. Breathing for 2. Rotate, inhale, exhale. As you exhale, rotate. 4 and 5. Back to center. Okay, now from here, a little slightly wider than your wider than your hips. Okay, and from here, squatting down, and then if it's too much, you can stay like this, medium. Okay, if you are flexible enough, all the way down, a garland pose. Inhale, crown reaching to the sky. And as you exhale, sinking your hips down, ground yourself. Inhale, spine extended. And exhale, keep your chest open, widen your collarbone. Inhale. And exhale. Exhale for 4. Inhale. And exhale for 5. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!